Hello, everybody. Oh, my goodness. Okay, you just ever have one of those days? So today was going pretty well until I found out that it was going to thunderstorm, like flash thunderstorm around my neighborhood. And I also knew that I had Happy Mail that I was very happy about until I got the notice that it was going to thunderstorm. So I was able to rush home and get the package, but unfortunately it also was in the downpour. So I'm going to open this up. Usually I open up my Happy Mail and get a sneak peek before I open it up on film. But I'm just going to do it because I'm a little nervous about what I'm going to find. And I want to do this with you guys. So this Happy Mail, as you see, is another package from PlannerKate. I don't even, at this moment, I don't recall what I ordered. But I hope it is safe. All right, so initially, I can see that there are some wet spots. The box itself is soaked. And it is a pretty sturdy box. PlannerKate put this beautiful blue tissue paper and her sticker on the outside. As you can see, the sticker paper on the back has gotten a little soaked, so that would have been like towards the ground. The package was unfortunately on the ground on my doorstep. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this wet box, but thankfully the box is so sturdy and not just beautiful. So, okay, I'm going to move that to the side. But so far, it looks good, guys. I'm going to slip this bubble wrap, if I can, out without disturbing the sticker on the outside. Can I do it? Ooh, what a haul. What did I get? Ooh. Okay. All right. Wonderful. Okay. All right. Oh, thank you, PlannerKate, for packaging my Happy Mail in such a way that it was not only aesthetically pleasing, but stood up against terrible weather. Terrible, terrible weather. Okay. All right. So it looks like, guys, everything is dry and safe, and I'm just tickled. Okay, couldn't be more happy. Okay, so let's just start off then. What a day. Okay, so this is some beautiful washi tape. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so we don't have this glare and can see it better. All right. Ooh, that's so pretty. And it's two different washi tapes in there. Let's see, can I see? This is called Simple Sage. And I love a good pink and green aesthetic, and so that makes me very happy. All right, so on top we have our first package that we're going to dig into. All right, So right off, we have a card from PlannerKate, all of her essential social media information. Then I believe these are freebies. Very nice. All right. Then I wanted to get some more materials for my daily duo. So this is kit 7XX DD9B, and these are boxes for the corner where you can have some lines to write down some information. This is 725 DD8, also for the same area in my planner, but these are bullet pointed. And then we have kit 725 DD6C, also same area, but these have some beautiful flowers around them. All right, so that is, these are both kit 725. And this is kit 7XX, which I'm assuming means it will go with, it can match all of the kits in the 700 range for the daily duo. I'm learning, y'all. Okay, so this is also kit 725 DD3 for the 7x9 daily duo, and some beautiful boxes that, as you see, match those florals. So I'm going to jump to the back here because there is more of kit 725. So this is DD7. You've got your weekdays, some boxes, circles, decorative washi tape. Also kit 725, this is DD2. Some more decorative elements, icons, boxes, dots, and some scripts. So a lot. And then I believe this is my last sheet of kit 725. This is DD1. Lots of beautiful washi tape, days of the week, and dates. Great. All right. This sheet is for the daily duo. Also, you can use this in that same box as the other initial sheets that I shared. But this is if you want to use it for wellness, which I am looking for different ways to track my wellness in my different planners, and I love this one because it included so many elements of my wellness that I want to track. So there's weight, water, meals, activity, steps, mood. Ooh, I love it. And it's so like succinct and won't take up too much space while still providing a nice overall tracking for my wellness. Okay, this next set is reminiscent of the blooms for the daily duo. Doesn't have to be used in that way, but could be. Some beautiful days of the week. And this is V75 P for the A5, V75Q for the A5, V87Q, and V87P. All right. I have water actually dripping down from my hair into my eyes because I literally came straight in the house, brought the package upstairs, grabbed the towel because I needed to talk to y'all. Okay, so what I did this time with my PlannerKate haul, as you can see, is a lot of misfit bags. I tend to, if I find a shop that I like, I'll try their misfit bags because it gives me a great opportunity to try different things and save a little money. But have the safety of knowing, I usually like the products of this company, so we're gonna go with it. All right. This is going to make this video rather long, but hopefully you will stick in there with me and enjoy seeing what we have. All right, so this is Misfit Bag MK623. All right, on top we have A510. Plum Daily. I love these colors. This is MK623A021 for the Moxie Life. I must also say that I don't have a plum paper, but I do have the Moxie Life. I have multiple planners, so I am sure that these stickers will work for me. But you can see whether or not they would work for you. 623A018. And I also appreciate how it seems that she takes care to try to do a similar color scheme, if not the same set. I don't know if that's always true. This is A015, but at least it is for this bag. 623A08. 623D. Also doing the Misfit gives me an opportunity, because I'm trying to learn the PlannerKate coding system, I can see what works for me. 623CV3. And also learn the system. 623DD2. And lastly in here is 623DD7. Okay, so yes, those were all from 623. Wonderful. All right. So I have lots of packets from 623. What I think I'm going to do so that this video doesn't get too long is, because I got a lot of sticker kits here. So I'm going to stop this video and put these Misfit bags, the rest of them, in a separate video. And yeah, and dry off a little, because I've got water dripping into my eyes. So now you know, though, that the PlannerKate box is very sturdy, and my stickers did not get wet at all. Thank you, PlannerKate, for taking such great care in your packaging And I can't wait to open up the rest of these and to share them with you all. All right. Stay warm and dry. Take care.